Hey citizens, I'm back. No, I didn't say hey Siri. I said hey citizens. If you want to be a citizen, Siri, you have to subscribe to my channel. Now chill out. Hey citizens, I'm back with part 2 of my birthday unboxing. My video was a little long a couple days ago, so now I'm back with another birthday unboxing. Yes, I'm so excited because I have never waited to open my birthday gifts. So my birthday was on the 5th, and it's like almost, today's the 10th, and I'm just getting ready to open some of my gifts, and I've been so anxious. So now we will be unboxing my gifts that I've been waiting for, and these gifts I know about. These are not surprises. It's just some I ordered online, and then some I picked up in a boutique, and I will insert a little clip somewhere when I was shopping, picking up these gifts. But now let's get into these birthday gifts. So this is the first one that I got. And it is the Christian Dior DWAY slides. Now these slides, when I tried to place an order online, they were sold out in my size. I guess I have like a popular size, average size 37. So I ordered these. I tried to order them online. Like I said, they were sold out in my size. So I called and they told me the only store that had, the only boutique that they was available in my size was in Vegas. So I know I wanted these for my birthday, so I ordered them, and they came pretty fast. And the ordering process was pretty simple. They sent me like an invoice to my email, and I just paid the invoice, and then they sent me shipping confirmation, and I'm so excited to try it on. So I get this open, and they just come packaged in a regular little box. Let's see if I can get this box out without snug in there. Yes, ladies, the Christian Dior box, my first pair DWAY slides. I'm so excited. And I got these in the oblique, the navy. And it comes with a little thank you card from your essay. Thank you for shopping with Dior. Hope you love your new shoes. And it comes with the receipt. And yeah, so this is the Dior store. I got this from Vegas. And you know, I always come with a little care card and the dust bags. Two little dust bags. I have so many dust bags, but they do come in handy. This gray color is so pretty. It makes me want to get the DWAY slides in the gray color. Those are really cute too. Oh, and that little paper, tissue paper has a little Dior all over the tissue paper. And it's Brandon. And here they are. Super cute. Take the tissue paper out. How cute. I'm pretty sure you guys seen these all over YouTube. These are like, and these are so cute. I cannot wait to get these. So yes, these are my DWAY slides. So, so cute. And I know they fit because when I was in the New York store a couple weeks ago, I actually tried on a pair because I was looking for the ones with the gold as well, but they were sold out. They had the ones with the rose gold, but I really wanted the ones with the gold. So, but now I got my eye on another pair. I didn't even get these out the box yet, but you know, I never thought that I would be into another brand. Like, I'm really starting to like really like Dior. And so these are my DWAY slides. So cute. And they run a little small. So usually I'm a 36, a US 36, but for some reason in like high-end brands I get a 37. Even like in my Gucci I get a 37. My Chanel I get a 37. But they're super cute. Kind of on a narrow side, so if you have a wider foot, I would suggest that you go and try them on first, so you don't order them and get them and then they're like too tight. You might have to go up a size. But yeah, I went up one size. So that is one good from there. And now I'm going to open my big gift. Ah, yes. Yes, I got the book tote. Yes, I was so on the fence about this book tote, but I wanted something that I've been trying to get away from big bags, to be honest. But I wanted something that I can carry my laptop in and my camera, and I think this is a great vacation piece. Y'all know I'm like in vacation mode. I want to go on vacation so bad, but I'm a little afraid to fly, and I'm definitely not going to drive down to Florida. But I know after this is all over, when I tell y'all I'm going to be on vacation, I'm already planning. I already got one vacation paid for. I'm ready to book another one, even though I don't want to waste my money. And they be like, oh no, you can't go for another 2 years. But I'm so in vacation mode. So this is, let's get this open. It's another gift that I know about. And I got this out of the, this box is so big, I'm gonna open it here. I went to the New York boutique on 57th in Manhattan. And I got the book tote. So I'm gonna open it up. Let's see, I should have opened it first out of the package. And when I shop in New York, I never take my items home because in New York they pay a higher tax than we do in New Jersey. So I usually, it depends on the company too. If you know, if it's free shipping, then I'll just have them ship it to me. Some boutiques you still have to pay for shipping. Like I think in the Versace boutique, unless you spend a certain amount, I had got some Versace shoes and I still had to pay for shipping, and shipping and taxes was very close, so I just paid and I took the stuff with me. So with this bag, come in a huge box. Look how big this bag is, y'all. It's huge. Thumbnail. So it comes in a Dior bag with a little bow and a star. It's so, so cute. Let's get her open. Can't wait. Now I know how my kids used to feel Christmas time when I wouldn't let them open their gifts until after church, until after their dad got off of work. Comes with a little star and a ribbon. And here she is, wrapped up in tissue paper. The Dior book tote, and this is the large size. Yes, and of course I got it personalized. Super cute, right? So now I'm going to order me a organizer. Take out all the stuff. Comes with a little cardboard inside. I'm going to order the organizer. You can get them right off of Amazon, and I seen they have one with a zipper. Oh, this is so stiff. It's super, super cute. And it comes with a little care package. Comes with a care package and like a little, this is like the Dior identification card. It's cute. It has a date that it's sold and like a reference card. It's like a little credit card. These are a little different from what we usually get from like Louis Vuitton. So I like that. It's cute, and it has like, I guess, the little code that said it goes with this bag, and it's so cute because it's like a gift card. I like that. Super, super cute. Oh, I can't wait to take some pictures and some mod shots. I'm going to do that next. Alright, so I got one more item from Dior that I'm going to show you guys. Let's put this over here a little bit to the side. And it came in this cute little bag. So when I left the New York store, I didn't leave empty-handed. I was going to get this anyway, but I didn't want them to ship it. It's so small, and I wanted the bag. It's so cute. So it's like my receipt and stuff for everything on my purchase. Oh, and while I was there, my SA, she is so cute. She gave me some perfume, and it smells really good. And it comes in this little teeny case, look like a little lipstick jar. Or a little lipstick, whatever you call those little things. But it's so cute. It smells good. Just like a little sample. It's not really what I like, but it smells good. It's a little floral. So I'll keep that over there. And I got the little I don't know what they call these, like little bandeaus, little scarves that say Dior all over it. So cute, right? So you can wear it as like a little head wrap, or you can have it where you tie it on your handles. So, and you can put like a little bow here, or you can wrap it around your handles so your handles won't get destroyed from, like, you could protect it from hand sanitizer, lotion, and stuff like that. So I think I'm going to order another one because I only bought one, but I'm actually going to get another one to put on the opposite side. I was thinking, at first I was like, maybe I shouldn't get it, it's too matchy, but I think it's still cute. I like it with the oblique. I'm in love with the oblique for some reason. I don't know. But I can see me wearing this like a little scarf. Ain't this cute, y'all? Or on my bag as a handle. Yes, super, super cute. So that is some of my birthday gifts. A little treat to myself. And I'm so in love with it. And yes, I have it personalized. It's mine. And I will link everything below. If you're interested in any of these Dior products, I'll make sure I link everything below. She was showing me in a store, I think you gotta tie it and then you just wrap it around like this. I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna actually watch another YouTube video and then do mine. But I will link everything below, all my birthday gifts. Thank everyone who wished me happy birthday. And yes, I really enjoyed it and I'm so happy with my gifts. And I'm not finished. I have more gifts. Now I have gifts that I have to open from Babe and from the kids that I don't know about. So I'm gonna put this stuff to the side and yeah, let's open up some more gifts. At first I was gonna wait, but I can't wait no longer. I'm tired of waiting. I want to open all my gifts right now. So that's the Dior stuff.